Hey there, welcome to Motivation Station, the third grade math edition. Today we're going to discuss and measure mass. Let's start off with a joke of the day. Which state has the most math teachers? Massachusetts! All right, back to our targets for the day. We're going to measure and estimate masses of objects using grams and kilograms. What is mass? Well, I know we've heard that term in science. So mass is the measure of how much matter is in an object. Now I'm going to show you tools that we can use to measure mass. This is a bucket balance. And you could fill the buckets with different items, and the side that has the most mass will go down, and the side that has the least mass will actually get higher. This is a scale that you may have seen at school to measure mass, and when you put things inside of it, it registers the mass. This is an electronic food scale that you can find the mass of items in your kitchen, or any items actually, and it measures it in grams. This is a triple beam balance scale, and it measures in grams, and it has 3 beams for the triple beams, 1 gram, 10 grams, and the middle beam is in 100 grams. And this is the balance that I want you to look at the most. This is a pan balance, and you can see that when you put something in heavy, it drops down. Or if I put the same amount in each side, it levels out and it's even. If I were to put something lighter in it, it would stay up and the heavy side stays down. So we're going to try to make something similar to this that you can practice measuring and estimating mass with at home. This slide shows items that all have a mass of 1 gram. We can see a thumbtack, a $100 bill. In fact, all U.S. bills have a mass of about 1 gram. A paperclip has a mass of 1 gram. 1 stick of gum and the cap of a pen all have the mass of about 1 gram. Now, 1,000 grams put together is a kilogram. So these items have the mass of 1 kilogram or 1,000 grams, a liter of water, your Go Math book, a work boot, a fresh pineapple, and a Yorkie teacup. They all have a mass of about 1 kilogram. We're going to try to make a scale so you can test out matter at home. You'll need to gather these supplies. And you can do this after the video. This will be your task to do at home. You'll need a hanger, about 2 feet of yarn, and 2 paper cups. This is what our final product is going to look like. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to put your homemade balance scale together. You'll probably use a paper cup, but I wanted to use a clear plastic cup so you could see. So after you've gathered your supplies, you're going to have an adult help you poke a hole in the top of the cup near the lip. Then we're going to cut your 1 foot of yarn, 1 for each side. You're going to put 1 piece of yarn through one of the holes on the cup. And then my hanger happens to have holes at the end. If yours doesn't, you can just tie it to the hanger. So I put 1 piece through, and I'm just going to tie a quick knot. So I put 1 cup on one side, and then I'm going to do the same thing and put the other the string in the hole. And I'm going to tie it to my hanger. Just a quick knot. And there you have it. You have your own balance scale, and you just rest it on your finger, and you kind of want it to be still. And then you can find objects around your house, and I'll give you a list of those soon, to see what weighs more than something else or what has more mass than something else. So if I put a crackers on one side, it goes down and you can see it weighs less or more than the empty cup. So then if I put a candy bar on this side, so now which one weighs or has more mass? The candy bar has more mass because it's a little bit lower than the crackers. I hope you enjoy trying this at home.
These are some items around your house that have the mass listed. You'll be able to use these in your homemade balance scale to see which has more mass and which has less. And you can test other things that you find also. A sweet tart or a small candy is about 1 gram. A pencil has about 5 grams of mass. A fruit roll-up has about 20 grams of mass. Crackers, a little 4-pack of crackers has about 30 grams of mass. And a can of soup has about 350 grams of mass.
Well, that's all the time we have today. I'm Miss Kay Johnson, and I'll see you next time on 3rd Grade Motivation Station.